What's up, guys? So I'm going to work on my Lexus GS300. It is having an issue. The other day I went and I was driving and all of a sudden I started getting surging, misfiring. It felt like it was completely out of whack. I first thought it was ignition modules that went bad, but after hooking it up to a diagnostic scan, I'm getting a code of P1349. I have to double check that. But that code pointed towards a solenoid. This is a variable solenoid I got from Car Parts. It is a variable timing solenoid. So we're going to replace it today. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. It's actually on top of the engine, so there is no issue with access. Very simple tools. And let's go do it now. All right, let's go. All right, so here we go. The solenoid is right in here. This is the connection to it. It's right underneath the cover. So this cover has 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So we'll go ahead and take them out now. The bolts shouldn't be on too tight, but depending on how the last time you took them off. All 4 bolts magnetized. There's your cover. Inside the cover, it's very clean. There's no oil anywhere, so that's good news. Timing belt is right there. Solenoid is right here. So let's look at the part to make sure that we match up. Because sometimes it may not match up. And this looks identical. Yeah, you have a holding bolt on top. You have your bracket here. You're going to slide it out. It's going to leak oil, so just get a rag ready. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Be careful when you unclip these. Since the car is, 19 years old, the plastic on these get really brittle. I might break it even when I'm being careful, so hopefully I don't break it. It is definitely doesn't want to move very much, and I don't want to push too much pressure on it. This is not going to be easy to get off. All right, it's off. Yeah, it broke, but it is what it is. It is 19 years old of heat cycles, and plastic gets brittle. Not much you can do about it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this off now. We'll put this aside. See if, yeah, this is easy enough. It's a little windy. It's a lot windy. Now, before I decide to move it, I'm going to get a rag. And I'll get a rag ready. Some paper towels. It slides right out. I'm going to put that there. There's your old solenoid. Here's your new one. Taking the cover off of the solenoid. Protective cover, and there it is. Now I usually will just get a little bit of grease from the old one and just kind of grease up the washer on it, just a little bit, so it's just a little coated. Slide the solenoid in. There it goes. And now we have put it in. And we have to line up Since this doesn't look at any torque specifications, I'm just going to tighten until it's snug. There it goes. Let's put the clip back on. There it goes. It's in there. Well, there you have it. All done. All right, so here we go. So the code is a P1349. I haven't reset it, so I'm gonna go ahead and reset it now. I'm going to erase the code. Code's been erased. All right, so the erasing is done. All right, so here we go. We have completed the job. All the lights have gone off. Check engine light. It's running like a beauty now. It's all buttery smooth again. Smooth. The way it should be sounding.